So with me, I have these students who are doing their masters from the University of Mumbai, and they have chosen a very unique subject, and this subject is called as Yoga Value Education. And today they have just finished their exams. They have just finished the practical exam for Yoga Value Education. So I thought, let me just make it a little special by asking each one of them that how do you think is yoga relevant in today's time, especially during this pandemic where everyone is going restless and so much of negativity around, so much of, it's a very difficult time. So let's just have a conversation on this. So, all right. So we start with Gehenna.
Namaste. I feel that yoga has been relevant in all times, and it is going to be relevant in all coming times as well, because yoga is just maybe science or just a way of knowing our own self, and knowing our own self will always be relevant. Yes, and especially when we are facing a global pandemic, and now death is not just in corners, it is everywhere. There is grief and misery everywhere, not just in some corners and not just in some parts. So this requires a lot of centeredness. This requires some amount of dispassion, which yoga brings us. Yes, yoga makes us realize and helps us see the bigger picture of how the things will change, things will get better. So yoga gives us hope, and not just a superficial hope. It gives us hope and spirit from within, to have the courage to face whatever is happening with a calm state of mind and with a strength. And that strength is something that comes from inside, and that is what yoga gets us.
Beautifully, beautifully. You have actually uh, got all the points together and explained it so beautifully that how yoga is really helping us out in the past, here, in the present, and of course in the future. Now, this course which we were doing, it was completely online. So the master's course was online, and it was again a very unique year for this batch because the entire course was online. तो शेयर अबाउट अगेन योर एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आपका ये एक्सपीरियंस जिसमें आपने ऑनलाइन कोर्स को सीखा एंड यू नो ऑल दोज गूगल मीट्स कौन बताएगा तृप्ति
Yeah. So, in this difficult time, really, this yoga as a science of mind and consciousness, it helps us a lot. So, in this class of yoga value education with Ankita ma'am, we have learned many things. We learn how to bring consciousness to the higher level by the awareness in the body. So we have different types of awareness, and we have to rise above one above the other. So through the physical awareness, she made us aware to reach to some higher level of consciousness, and that is great thing because we are rising ourselves so in our thoughts and mind, and which makes us which makes us amalgamate or makes us sure of accepting the situations whatever we are facing right now, this pandemic of corona and all that, and so many people are getting affected. And because of this value education class, she could create some much positivity in us, and we could spread out in our families and around us. And we are thankful and grateful to you, Ankita ma'am. Thank you so much.
thank you so much Tripti. So yeah, so I think this was a very beautiful virtual bond. We have never ever met personally till date. We have just been, meeting virtually, but still we have that bond with us, and we really enjoyed that bond. Anything else if you would like to mention? So you're free to express. Aruna, Santosh, Mamta, Seema. Okay, Gehna.
I just wanted to share that I really enjoy Ankita ma'am's class because there is a certain amount of balance. You know, she is strict, at the same time she is very comforting. So there is a balance. Usually teachers are either very comforting or very relaxed, or they're very strict and very rigid. So I like the balance which is there in her as a person, and I really admire that.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Gehna. Aruna?
Yeah, I always admire this. Even yoga. Yoga is, I would say, this is a yoga is a way of life, which is like in this pandemic period, like everyone is suffering or like in another way, either directly or either indirectly. Everyone has the fear. So that yoga is like yoga, especially like asana pranayams, you can say it's a life-saving tools. When you are practicing these things, so you are cultivating, you are completely within yourself. You are not diverting in the your mind in the towards the like all the sufferings and all. So that what happens, and in that case automatically you are aware about yourself or not the external things. So you are being with yourself. That is the yoga, and then that teaches you to live in the present. So what that is right now also we are we are learning yoga value education, live in the present and be like kinder and be loveful in
Absolutely.
every situation. And so
Absolutely.
that is the main thing. And so, and as well as a Ankita as a teacher, Ankita ma'am as a teacher, she is wonderful teacher, is always whenever she takes a class, one or the other problem is there, then she always adjusts and makes her comfortable. So that is a very like positive point, and I really appreciate for that, and I'm really grateful, and I'm thankful to her also. So
We are thankful to the Department of Philosophy, University of Mumbai, that they gave this opportunity to, so that we could connect. It's through them that we have connected. Yeah, Santosh.
Yes, ma'am. I had a couple of points. One was that we don't know right now why Corona happened. But whatever the reason why Corona happened, the question I would like to ask is, would Corona have happened if yoga was prevalent in all countries? If yoga values were prevalent in all countries? I don't think so. Second thing is that the best example of how useful and relevant yoga is during these times is Ankita ma'am herself. She's a very great example that even having undergone the corona, she was still able to not only defeat it, but still come back in the same positive way and take our classes as if nothing ever happened only. So that itself proves how her spirit also, and how prevalent yoga is in today's world. And lastly, I would like to agree with Gahanna on your positive professionalism of how you have ensured that every time how you perfectly follow the syllabus and ensure that all of us have understood every point of it. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kiran.
या सबसे पहले जैसे ही आपको देखते हैं तो एक ब्यूटीफुल फेस दिखता है, पर जैसे ही आप पढ़ाना शुरू करते हैं तो दिखता है कि आप सिर्फ आउटसाइड ही ब्यूटीफुल नहीं है, उतना ही ब्यूटीफुली आप पढ़ाते भी हैं। आपकी पढ़ाई के बाद जो स्टडी आप करवाते हैं उस आपकी क्लास के बाद ऐसा फील होता है जैसे वो एडवर्टाइज आता है ना, मोनाको बिस्किट, उसको खा के आदमी ऐसा एलिवेट हो जाता है ना रियली, क्योंकि आपका आप जो पढ़ाते हैं वो कंप्लीट पैकेज होता है, पूरा कोर्स कवर करते हैं बहुत आराम से, कुछ भी छूटता नहीं है, और पूरा टाइम मैनेजमेंट या बाकी चीजें जो बहुत अच्छे से कवर करते हैं। और योगा जो वैल्यू एजुकेशन की बात है, यदि ये चाइना में या बाकी जगह होता तो शायद ये रियली पेंडेमिक आता नहीं, सभी लोग इस वैल्यू को यदि मानते और योगा सर्टेनली हम लोगों को कोरोना को देखने से ज्यादा उसका टीवी पे न्यूज सुन के जो एंजाइटी, जो टेंशन हो रहा है, और प्लस जो हम लोगों को योगा की सट क्रियाओं से जो हम लोग क्लींजिंग प्रोसेस मिलती है, आसन से हमारी बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ होती है, प्राणायाम से हमारा पूरा माइंड स्ट्रेंथ पाता है। तो इस तरह से यदि हमारा योग की वैल्यू पहले से अभी इन दिनों में कुछ ज्यादा ही बढ़ी है और आगे भी ज्यादा ही होगी। और अंकिता मैम, हम हमेशा आपको आपकी टीचिंग के लिए हमेशा याद रखेंगे। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Kiran. Mamta?
Yes, ma'am.
Mamta,
Ma'am, first of
experience
all,
का?
sorry that I have showed you my feet because of limitations of place,
Not at
camera,
all, not at all.
which
not at all.
yeah.
तो
So we are
देखिए,
not
आप
allowed to
लोगों
show
ने
our feet to our guru.
no, absolutely no problem. I'm sure
Yeah.
इतने सारे restrictions थे आपका, फिर भी all of you have done it so well. सबने बहुत अच्छे से किया. So I'm really happy with that.
Yeah.
और
And
आपका
taking
पहला बार
like
experience था?
yes, ma'am, on like on online platform. I have done like once for my diploma, but then 20 students were sitting together and कर लेते थे. But here, like we were not allowed to show the feet to our guru, like, and which I have like so online that was the limitation, and you have like you know your students so well that you know okay ये इसके लिए बराबर नहीं है, so you say okay don't do limitations also, and you so nicely you have like okay ये नहीं आता तो ये बता दो, ये नहीं आता तो ये बता दो. So that was beautiful, and I met you first time also in this, so you really handled nicely. That was the plus point.
Thank you, Mamta.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.
सीमा के बारे में बता दूं कि इस प्रोसेस के दौरान सीमा हैज आल्सो गॉट मैरिड. अभी just I think 1 week back she got married, but she is again here back with that beautiful smile. Seema was also working. She was also one of the COVID warriors because she was working non-stop, health industry में, healthcare worker. So really kudos to you, Seema. आप बताइए कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
Thank you, ma'am. यस, ये जो सब्जेक्ट है यूथ वैल्यू एजुकेशन, इसमें एक पॉइंट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो जो है पॉजिटिविटी. जो पॉजिटिविटी अंकिता मैम ने, अभी अंकिता मैम को भी कोरोना पॉजिटिव थे, तभी से उनके अपनी जो जर्नी उन्होंने उनके फेसबुक, उनके लॉग पे जो डाली है, तो ऐसे लोगों को इंस्पिरेशन है जो कोरोना से बहुत तकलीफ में जा रहे हैं और उनको सख्त जरूरत है कि ऐसे पॉजिटिविटी की जरूरत है. तो ये जो हमारा योग वैल्यू एजुकेशन है वो पॉजिटिविटी के ही बारे में सिखाता है, और अंकिता मैम ने तो ये बहुत अच्छे से हमको सिखाया है. और ये जब भी क्लास लेते हैं तो पूरे डिसिप्लिन के साथ क्लास लेते हैं. वो उनका ये जो एक पॉइंट है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि पूरा डिसिप्लिन, पूरा स्माइल और पूरा पॉजिटिविटी के साथ और पूरा एनर्जी के साथ ये क्लास लेते हैं. तो एक अंकिता मैम से ये बहुत सीखने को हमको मिला है. और योग के बारे में बताना है तो योग मीन्स टू यूनाइट. जैसे प्राणायाम करके हमें योग अपना यूनाइट करना है बॉडी और माइंड, वैसे ही हम लोग ये ऑनलाइन सेशन से इतने यूनाइट हो गए हैं कि हम लोग अभी मिले भी नहीं है, बट ये ऑनलाइन सेशन से इतना हमें बहुत अच्छा महसूस होता है कि मैम अभी क्लास नहीं लेंगे, यही हमें बहुत अफसोस की बात है. थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर एंटायर जर्नी.
Thank you so much, Seema. And all my wishes are there with all the students. Definitely, I would love to thank हमारे Department of Philosophy, our head of department, Priya ma'am, who was taking all your theory classes for yoga education. And really blessed कि हम लोग मिले हैं, और हम लोगों को ये कंटिन्यू रखना है with this positive energy. हम लोगों को इस परेशानी वाले टाइम पे भी we just have to stay positive, optimistic, and just be patient. This shall pass. So take care of yourself and God bless you all, and namaste.
Namaste, ma'am. Thank you.